Hey, it's G. I hope everyone is doing well. I just wanted to hop on here really quickly to do a product review. With everything being shut down, a lot of us have been missing out on all the people we love, people we like, things we like to do, services we like to pay for. So a lot of us are missing our hairstylists, our nail techs, estheticians, etc., etc. I am missing my esthetician. I have a sugaring specialist that I go to every 4 weeks for my Brazilian. And now that I'm about 8 weeks out, I felt I had to take matters into my own hands. And so I went online in search of a sugaring kit to sort of just handle it on my own. I was like, you know what? I have a couple of tattoos in some sensitive places. And so I said, you know what? If I could sit there for an hour and get those tattoos done, I can figure out sugar on my own. I can figure it out. So I ordered my kit. It was only $20. There's a dope company called Moom. They make it really easy for you. So I ordered this kit. Everything came in this box. And so you get the sugaring substance, which only has a few ingredients. I'll just read them off for you. And so, all organic, by the way. And so we have organic cane sugar, organic chamomile tea, organic lemon juice, and organic tea tree oil. Super organic. And it also comes with your applicator sticks and, of course, your strips. So you have your strips for your face, and you also have like your regular size strips as well. And that's all that comes in the kit, along with instructions, of course, because if you have never done this before, you might want to have some detailed instructions. So they're pretty good at providing that. So you open it up and you have all this here. So you have info for your face, your chin, your upper lip, your eyebrows, how to fix mistakes. There's post info for you as well. Your legs, of course, your bikini area, which I took care of, and your underarms. And then there's a little bit of a troubleshooting area for reasons why, in case you weren't able to grab onto the hair. But basically with these kits is, you just want to put a very thin layer on. And you want to just rip off really quickly. So I just want to talk to you a little bit about the differences between sugaring and just like using regular wax. So for me, I appreciate the sugaring because it's all natural, and I've been able to have less ingrowns over the years, and my hair has actually grown back a lot less, and it's not as thick as it used to be. So those are all like pros for me. And so with sugaring, so it's the opposite to wax. So sugaring, it goes on against the growth, and then it's ripped off in the direction of growth. So that's how you're able to have like the less ingrowns, because as the hair is being yanked at the surface, since it's going in the direction of your hair growth, there's less chance for the hair to actually break at the surface. And so that's, that helps to contribute to not having ingrowns in a couple weeks or so after your service. So I use this product, very happy with it. I said, if all goes well, I'm going to try to like do this on my own, maybe even save a bunch of money. I'm not a professional by any means, but I found that this kit was pretty easy to use, and I felt really confident in what I was able to do. And I'm going to try it out for at least a while, because I also don't want to waste anything. And as you can see, I've only really just used a tiny bit. So I still have all this jar left, and this whole kit was only $20. So I just want to use it until it's done at least. And that's about it. I think anyone can use this kit. The only thing that doesn't come with the kit that you're going to need is some sort of like powder to absorb the perspiration before you apply the product. You just want to make sure that it's talc free. You can use like cornstarch. I use like a bentonite clay powder. So I just got this at like my local health store. And that was about it. Also, what else? So to heat it up, and this product doesn't have to be super hot either. So you can put it in your microwave for about 10 seconds if you have a microwave. I don't have a microwave. I don't use one. And so I just like boiled water. I put it in a metal bowl, and I just set this in here, and I just poured like the boiling water in here until it got to about halfway up the jar. And I did that twice, and I found that after doing that, it was like the temperature was just perfect. It wasn't too hot, wasn't too cool. And with this, you don't want it too hot. And the directions actually say you don't need, like, this product does not need to be hot at all. So, man, I love sugaring. I'm glad I was able to find a kit that was easy to use. I highly recommend, I highly recommend it. Check out their website or check out Amazon. I'll put the links down below, but it's just moom.com, or on Amazon, you can just search Moom. But yeah, that's my review. This is not sponsored. I'm just trying to help a sister out. So hopefully it was of use to you, and I'll see you in the next one.